because you like wildebeest moss. This is the 5th camo for wildebeest, and if you would like to know the story about this one and the rest of the story, then continue watching the story. Today we continue the story of the wildebeest camos and the whole entire wildebeest story. So now that after I designed Bark was launched in 2022 on Huntex, and it was only available at our shop, very exclusive and on the line. In 2023 we set it out into the market and we released it so that everyone else can also sell Bark, and the people, I think, are loving it. We have had very great feedback about it. But anyway, so 2024, my father again said to me he wants a new camo, and I've done one mos now, so now weet ek mos wat ek doen. Ek doen maak ek mos. Mos did luckily not take 8 months to design. It took quite a bit shorter time, but it came with its struggles. Dit was nie maklik nie, maar mos is hier. En we launched mos in 2024, also exclusively just for our shop and on the line, and then in 2025 last year we opened it up for the whole market so that everyone can have mos wildebeest. In the meantime, I'm backtracking a bit because I forgot about that part. So in the Bosveld video I mentioned that we started releasing some casual clothes, you know, here and there a t-shirt and stuff like that. But along with Bark, actually a little bit before Bark, the casual range exploded. Literally, it exploded. We have got so many different pants and shorts and shirts and stuffs for men's, ladies and kids. We've got everything. So I will make a casual video and just backtrack to that story a bit. But the casuals literally, like, I think we've got more casuals now than we have camos. That is literally how big the casual range is now. Maar anyway, so die mense love die casuals. Ons noem dit nou maar casual, maar dis die plain klere, dis die t-shirts, die kortbroeke, jy weet alles wat nie camo is nie. So yeah, that happened also in between. Also backtracking a bit, my brother got married in 2022 and his wife also started joining the wildebeest trop, and she's also now helping with the family business, and it's a whole thing. And she is running the online actually, and she's doing very well. They also had their first little boy in 2023, and then last year 2025 they had the little girl. She's so cute. Anyway, I also got married in the meantime. I got married in 2023 and had the baby in 2023, and then I had the second baby in 2025. So don't do the math. Anyway, so mos. Back to mos. My husband also is helping with the social media, so he's not full-time part of the wildebeest trop, but he is half-time part of the trop. He's part of the trop completely. He's just not full-time at the shop, or you know, we do the social media together. That is our thing, and that's also the guy that does the videos, if you didn't know. He's mine. Okay, anyway, so mos he's laughing at me now. So mos het ons gelaunch in 2024 net vir ons winkel en online, and then in 2025 we sent it out into the market to go and be fruitful. So mos is baie groen. This is a greener camo, but it's kind of in the same line as Bark. Meaning it's like an urban camo. You wouldn't necessarily go hunt with it, but it's nice that you can wear it like everywhere you go. Like, it's a nice jacket, okay, and it looks good with lots of things. So people not necessarily wear camo just to go hunt. Mense dra camos om net sommer camos te dra, want dit lyk mooi. So mos is 'n baie klein reeks. Mos is still very new and, you know, a little bit exclusive to the shop in Kempton Park and on the website, but also it's just it's a nice camo. I think if I had to choose between Bark and mos, I do like mos. I think I might like mos more than Bark. I don't know. I'm into about that one. Maar anyway, so that is where mos came from, and mos is our newest camo that we have. But exciting news, Huntex is coming, and on Huntex we are launching the next camo, which is not bark or moss, but it's very nice. So bark was very much grey, moss is very much green, and the new one is going to be very much brown, but also very much urban. You know, you can wear it with anything, you don't have to go hunt with it because it's just nice to wear. So if you are as excited as we are for the new camo, then come to Huntex and come see what it looks like. Or just wait after Huntex and then come to the shop in Kempton Park, because we are the only ones that's going to have it for now. And it's going to be on the website as well. But yes, it is exciting. So this is the 5th camo and the new one is number 6. So ons is baie opgewonde. Ons hoop dat die respons op die nuwe camo ook so goed sal wees as op die vorige is, want almal het van die vorige is ook gehou. So we are quite exciting and quite excited. And I think we're trying to change people's minds about, like me. I'm talking about me now. I'm trying to change people's minds for wearing camos is not only for hunting. It's for going to the braai, it's for going to watch the kids rugby, it's for going, like, you know, to social events. It's not just for the bushes and for the hunting. And I really, like, I don't want to sound like I'm bragging, but I feel like the jackets that and the stuff that we're making is so nice that you wouldn't just want to buy this jacket to go hunt with. Jy wil hierdie baadjie koop en langs die vuur gaan dra vanaand as jy gaan braai en sulke goeders, because it's a beautiful jacket. That's the thing, is we make beautiful stuff. I think we make beautiful stuff. But anyway, if you want to see the next camo next week, we're going to be pushing lots of Huntex content because it's Huntex. And the week after that, we're going to be showing you all of the stuff for the new camo.